So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these fun and easy paper tags. These tags are about, they're 2 inches and they're great. You can use them for pricing your products, or you can just use them as like general gift tags. And I also have some thank you tags here if you want to add these to favors, and just a cute arrow tag if you like the boho style. So these tags are great. You can use them for so many different ways, or you can also put your own logo on with if you're doing the cut and print. So, and also if you've been enjoying the videos that I've been making, make sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. So now I'm just going to walk you through how to make these really easy tags. So once you've downloaded the files to your computer, you go to upload, you go to upload image, and you select the SVG and save, and then you select the PNG. PNG number 2. You go to complex, select continue, and then click on the white space to remove the white. You select save as a print and cut image. So save. And then you first upload the cut file. I'm going to push attach, and then upload the print file. So here you can see it's too small, so you're just going to eyeball it so that the files look similar. So I'm just comparing this one to this one. So they look about the same, and I'm lining the hole up with the heart right here so that it's centered, and there's about the same amount of space on the bottom of the heart. And now I'm going to select these circles, and I'm going to change the color to white, and then I'm going to select everything and click flatten. So what this does is it turns the background to total white, so you can see that the holes are still there. It's just hard to see because but you can see the grid through the holes, and you can see since the printer doesn't print white, it will just cut the outline of the tag and print the color. So now you go to make it, and here you can see it's a print, then cut. So then you go to send to printer, and my printer is this one right here, the Epson, and I'm going to turn the bleed off, and then select use system dialog and push print. And then when you see this spinning circle, you move this down to see the print dialog box, and then I'm going to change the print settings to photo so the quality is nice. It'll print slower and you'll be able to see more detail, and then you just push print, and then this will print your design on, it will send it to the printer to print onto your cardstock. So once you have your design printed, just double check to make sure the line is straight. Sometimes mine doesn't print perfectly, so it looks straight. So I'm just going to use the lines along the edge. Otherwise, I would just eyeball it to make sure that it looks straight. And I'm just going to put down some painter's tape, just because this is what I use just to make sure everything sticks well. You don't have to do this. And now the paper is ready to be sent to the Cricut cutting machine. So after you printed your cardstock, after you printed your file, then you, I just selected 80-pound cardstock. It depends on what material you're using. If you're using something really heavy, then I'd recommend maybe selecting the heavy cardstock. So afterwards, I selected more, and then you just load the paper to your Cricut. So once your tags are all cut out, you can just pop them right out, just like that. And if you can't get the little circles out, well, that one came out, but otherwise, if you can't get the circles out because the paper's so thick, just grab a hole punch and it'll just pop it out for you. And there you go. So then you just need some string or some ribbon, and you can just attach them through like that. With a knot, or like this, and then another knot. And then I would just trim off that extra string. So there you go. So these tags are great for so many things. You can use them for pricing, or you can stamp your logo onto them, or you can print and cut your own logo onto them. And so make sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you want to see any future tutorials. And make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.